Hey everybody, so we know that currently the market is going up and up, so I built an AI trading terminal that analyzes real stock data, ranks the market, and streams live price updates using Python. So it behaves like a mini Bloomberg terminal powered by AI logic. So let's just dive into it. For that, first we need is our AI terminal. I'll source it. If you have seen the previous video, we already built a bot, so I have the bot ready here who says who talks with me anytime I want. Okay, so now we'll add the enhancements to it. So for building the Bloomberg, we need Yfinance, pandas, Matplotlib, and rich. So while this is installing, I'll tell you what else we need. We need a AI terminal.python, which I'll show you. It's so this is our script, which is using rich panel, rich pandas, Yfinance, and a data engine, scoring engine, and visualization of the stocks. So if you need the script, just comment and I will link it. But for now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna run this AI terminal, and then once it runs, it goes into a finance terminal, and now we can start talking to it. So let's see what this can do for us. So now that we are in the AI terminal, we'll start by saying what are the top stocks today. So I'll do AI top, and this will give me the leaders that are listed today, which is MU, INTC, NVDA, AMD, and Tesla. It also gives us the sentiment value of it. So it automatically ranks stock based on momentum, trend strength, and volume. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna analyze some of the stocks. So I'm gonna analyze NVDA. So once you see, the score is 82 bias bullish, trend is 22.72, and it also created a chart for you which you can open and analyze. So if you can see, it starts from 2025-12 to 2026-5, and it is already going up and up. So NVDA is the top stock right now. After the analysis is done, I will also would like to see the sentiment of it. So I will do AI sentiment. Maybe let's do on. So for on, it's slightly positive. It's the biggest semiconductor stock that's present right now, and the sentiment score is 62. After that, I would also want to see some live status. So I would do AI stream on. So this gives us a live data of the price, the score, the bias, trend strength, and it's updating every 3 seconds. So if you want more than one, you can also add it to it, whatever stocks that you have in your positions, and then you can see the live data here, and then you can trade accordingly. So that was the live changes, the sentiment, and the analysis. We can add more to it, but as of now, we have all these added to our AI trading bot. So if you need some more help on this, let me know. But for now, enjoy your AI trading bot and keep trading. Like, share, and subscribe.